Do you ever feel like your sales conversations stall right at the finish line? You've built the rapport, uncovered the need, handled the objections, then silence. Today, I'm giving you 3 proven ways to transition to close a sale without sounding pushy or awkward. If you're tired of hearing, let me think about it, then this is your moment. Stay with me. And at the end, I'll share how to download my free closing transitions cheat sheet to help you close with confidence starting today. Number 1, I call it the soft signal close because this one confirms interest before asking for commitment. It sounds like this. Based on everything we've discussed, does this sound like the kind of solution you've been looking for? Simple, low pressure, but powerful. You're guiding the prospect to acknowledge the value, which gives you a natural springboard into the close. Let me tell you about a client of mine who always struggled to end her calls. She said it always felt awkward. Once she started using this one sentence, she began hearing, yes, actually it does. That was the green light to close. Let me say it again. Based on everything we've discussed, does this sound like the kind of solution you've been looking for? Now, here's the beauty of this. If there was a problem, this is when the prospect would bring up the hidden pain point. And when that happens, you have the perfect opportunity to solve that problem too. Number 2, the action-oriented close. If you're unsure when to go for the close, use this one. Instead of asking if they want to move forward, say this instead. Where would you like to go from here? This allows the prospect to feel in control, and the question may uncover even more decision makers. A client of mine selling software to a CFO used this exact line. She asked, where do you want to go from here? The CFO said that he would like to bring in the HRVP and possibly the CEO for a demo on the software. And that's exactly what she wanted him to say and do. He brought up the demo. Then she asked if he wanted to contact them or should they go ahead and schedule the demo and then invite them. He agreed to schedule the demo. Number 3, the recap close. This one reinforces value and it is perfect if you're dealing with high-stake buyers. You say something like this. Just to recap, you're looking for a faster onboarding process, better team visibility, and a platform that integrates with Salesforce. We check all 3. What would be your next steps to schedule this? You're reminding them you listened and that your solutions check every box. This isn't pressure, it's partnership. So the 3 smooth ways to transition into a close are the soft signal close, the action-oriented close, and the recap close. These transitions move you away from that awkward silence into confidently closing the deal. And you don't have to use high-pressure tactics or sound salesy. If you want these transition scripts with other tips, then download my free closing transition cheat sheet. And you'll get exact phrases, timing tips, and the confidence to close with clarity. The link is in the description area below. And if you're still not closing the way you want, maybe it's time for a personalized sales closing power session so we can fix it together. Now, I'm sure we haven't solved all your problems, so I'll see you on the next video. Stay savvy.